गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफल सारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। मालासुधाकुम्भ विबोधमुद्रा विद्याविराजत करवारिजाता अपारकारुण्य सुधाम्बुराशम् श्रीशारदाम्बां प्रणतोऽस्मि नित्यम्। श्रीशारदाम्बां प्रणतोऽस्मि नित्यम्। श्रीशारदाम्बां प्रणतोऽस्मि नित्यम्। गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Before coming to the main topic, I would like to share a few important points with all of you, which create a base for the present topic of Harinama Sankirtane and its significance in Kali Yuga, especially in the present global scenario, which is very stressful and chaotic. All of us have been experiencing a very tough situation, traumatic situation, which calls for lot of inner strength, energy to to face this situation. Starting from children to the old age people, it is really tough, all of us we are experiencing. I would like to share a few points about myself. I come from a background of music in the family. My mother was a musician, Srimati Lakshmi Narasamma. My grandfather was a musician, Shri M.N. Shankar Shastri. Though they did not become very famous, but they had a lot of very good expertise and skills in Carnatic music. So since 62 years, I have been a student of Carnatic music. When I realized the voluminous ocean of Carnatic music, I really feel in this Janma I have got one bit of it, ಒಂದು ಅಣು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಣು ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ. Just I have got this much and I have got the punyam to sing even now. I feel it's my blessing. And educationally I come from a professional social work background. I did my PhD in social work and counseling, and I worked as a professional family and marital counselor for more than 15 years. That really gave me a lot of reflections to perceive art from social, psychological and spiritual perspective. And I was so privileged to be a part of many spiritual organizations like the Theosophical Society, Meditation Study Circle, Sharda Sevashrama. So many organizations I was in. I used to do my musical service from different angles for all these organizations for more than 15 years. So the spiritual background, psychological, social background, and musical, what do you say? By singing for almost so many years, I developed my own module of perceiving Carnatic music from 4 dimensions. That is Carnatic music as a promoter of holistic health with 4 divisions. One is Carnatic music as a promoter of psychological health and maintenance also. It is a wonderful medium to maintain our psychological health, and how Carnatic music can really affect our anatomy, our physiology, the physical aspects of, health, how music can be integrated with that. Then the social aspects, what are all the inputs we gain through Carnatic music which is related to our social health. And also spiritual health, how we can grow or evolve our own self to the spiritual realm of personality. So with these 4 dimensions, I have been working for the past almost 3 decades from Meera Center for Music Therapy Education and Research in Bangalore. It has been one of the oldest centers in Bangalore, and since 6 years, Nadamaya Center for Music Education, it was set up in Hyderabad, and here also I have got very good students who are learning music for different levels, and also individuals with special needs who have been taking music therapy treatment from our center. So with this background, I just for me music is everything for me. About a month back, we started our own Nada Arogya channel, just to blend music and health, and to create public awareness. We started this channel, and I was fortunate enough to listen to Vidushi Neela Ramagopal, who is almost 87 years old lady, old musician. She was telling, I breathe music, I live music, I eat music, I sleep music. In fact, she is a role model for all of us, like how, she was telling, I'm staying alone, I'm just, doing everything, and I'm enjoying. I'm teaching even now. I'm singing for almost 6 to 7 hours every day, and I'm very, very healthy. It's a wonderful inspiration for all of us. She is my role model also. In fact, we always feel that we should be like Neela Mami. With due respects to her, she was my guru also. With due respects to Neela Mami and R.K. Padmanabha, who was my, inspiration for many of my work, I start my concert. So the first composition Yeah. Before I start the composition, I would like to explain what is Nama Sankirtane and what is the significance of or the importance of Nama Sankirtane, for whom it is required, why it is required, when it is required, how it is required. So if we answer all these questions, we will get a comprehensive picture of the Nama Sankirtane. Nama Sankirtane means congregational chanting of the holy names of the Supreme Lord. This is the path prescribed in Vedic literature for achieving spiritual perfection in this human life, namely God realization, and ending all the sufferings that we undergo in this world. In Satya Yuga, meditation was the path to reach the divine. In Treta Yuga, performance of yaga and yagna was the medium to reach God. In Dwapara Yuga, elaborate deity worship, puja Kainkarya was the pattern of Dwapara Yuga. But in the present Kali Yuga, most easiest form of worship, simplest form of uniting with the divine is Nama Sankirtan. What are the benefits gained by Nama Sankirtane? Nama means name of the Lord. It gives Gnana, that is knowledge, Bhakti, devotion. It destroys our karma or the sins of the doer, and we can gain the divine grace or Ishvara Anubhuti. Definitely we all endorse very easily if you can sing one Devanama, one bhajan or one Sanskrit shloka. Definitely we can experience the divinity, we can feel that Ishvara Anubhuti or the grace of God within ourselves. There are two types of Nama Sankirtan. One is Mantra Japa, repetition of a hymn or Sanskrit shloka. Maybe we will have a, beats, like for chanting, and we will count. We will do for Japa. Next is Nama Japa. Repeat the Namavali, which can be done always. It can be done loudly, or we can do it silently also, mentally. So this is another form of Nama Japa. Through Nama Japa, one can be freed from the illusionary or transient materialistic world, which seems to be truth for all of us, until we realize the real truth beyond. Through Nama Japa, one can get complete reunion with the divine. What are we going to get through Sankirtane, Nama Sankirtane or Nama Japa? Blissful joy. Definitely we feel very, very happy, and that purifies our body, mind, intellect and soul. It creates positive and divine energy within the self. It spreads positive energy in the environment also. Then, it's a powerful medium to become one with the self. Through Nama Sankirtane, our life can become Bhagavan Nama Yagna Japa. Japa Yagna. Through Nama Sankirtane, our life can become Bhagavan Nama Japa Yagna. See, all of us, who musicians, we are so fortunate enough, because starting from Sarala Varsai to Raga, Tana, Pallavi, you take any form of music, they are based on Saptaswaras. Saptaswaras combination form different patterns of musical, forms. Saptaswaras have been considered as Sapta Devatas. Tyagaraja says in his Shobhilu Saptaswara, Shobhilu Saptaswara, Shobhilu Saptaswara, Sundarula Bharimpave Manasa. They are 7 Devatas. So we will be, even if we are chanting Sarada Varsai, that means we are doing Nama Sankirtane in different forms. So we are so blessed, all musicians are so much blessed. So Nama Sankirtana medium is an easiest medium which can be adopted by one and all, irrespective of caste, class, creed, sex, geographical domain. There are no blocks. You go to any nook and corner of our country, definitely there will be some form of music based upon their own tradition, culture and values, and they will have their own way of expression. In different forms they will be doing the Nama Sankirtana, both individually as well as community groups. They would have formed their own bhajana mandali, bhajan groups, and they will be singing. So there is no particular time for chanting the Namavali of Ishtadevata. So Nama Sankirtane, first we will take up that. Namavali, it can be any deity. For me it is Devi, for somebody it can be Subramanya, for it can be Ganesha, for some people it can be Hari, Krishna. So we have got so many Ishtadevatas or Kuladevatas, whichever is most suitable and whichever God I like, I can chant the name always. That should become integral part of our system and our life. There is no particular time at all. It can be 24/7. Many times when, at this age, we have issues with sleep. So we get very early. We wake up very early. So what I'll be doing, I'll be chanting the name of my Ishtadevata and all the shlokas, whatever I know, I'll be chanting mentally. It gives so much of freshness, so much of positivity and divinity. So I think it is common for many of people of my age. Nama Sankirtana is an important element of our tradition in India, prevails with all diversified cultures in different languages. What are the different forms of Nama Sankirtana? One is Nama Japa, Mantra Japa, Bhajans, Nama Sankirtana in groups. You can sing individually and also in groups. Devotional compositions like Dasarapadas or Mirabai Bhajans or this one, compositions of all dasas, vachanas, all this it will come under devotional compositions. Then classical music. Classical music, as I told you, it is for those who learn and it is for those who listen also. But for those who learn, starting from the first lesson, throughout whatever they learn, it is Nama Sankirtana only. Because as I already emphasized, Saptaswaras are 7 Devatas. So whatever the different patterns we will be doing, but it is Nama Sankirtana only in classical form. Nama Sankirtana can be done in 2 ways. Active, wherein the participant will be completely involved in the Nama Sankirtana. Another thing is listening to the Nama Sankirtana. Both have got very good advantages. Ultimately, Nama Sankirtana is being considered as a wonderful medium for Ihapara Sadhana. Even when we are alive, when we chant the Namavali, lot of positive energy, inner strength, lot of endurance, capacity to endure and face challenges of ups and downs of life, we will gain through Nama Sankirtana, Nama Japa. Ultimately, Nama Sankirtana leads us to be one with the divine. It's a path of liberation. So with this background, I'll start my Devan Namas singing. The first composition I'm going to sing is Manava Janma Doddadu. Ida Hani Madalu Bedi Kuchappa Ganira. It is in the Raga Purva Kalyani set to Aditala. It's a composition of Saint Purandaradasa. हरिश्रवण कीर्तन हरिनाम स्मरण हरिश्रवण कीर्तन हरिनाम श्रवण हरिपाद सेवन हरिपूजा वंदन हरिदास सख्यत्व हरिगात्मार्पण हरिदास सख्यत्व हरिगात्मार्पण हरिभक्तिगे मुक्तिपथ तत्व हरिभक्तिगे मुक्तिपथ तत्व पुरंदर विठलने परमात्म सिद्ध पुरंदर विठलने परमात्म सिद्ध पुरंदर विठलने परमात्म सिद्ध परमात्म सिद्ध पुरंदर विठलने परमात्म सिद्ध ಮಾನವ ಜನ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಈ ಮಾನವ ಜನ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಇದ ಹಾನಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಬೇಡಿ ಹುಚ್ಚಪ್ಪಗಳಿರ ಮಾನವ ಜನ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಇದ ಹಾನಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಬೇಡಿ ಹುಚ್ಚಪ್ಪಗಳಿರ ಮಾನವ ಜನ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಕಣ್ಣು ಕೈ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಿವಿ ನಾಲಗೆ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಣ್ಣು ಮುಕ್ಕಿ ಮರಳಾಗುವರೇ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕೈ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಿವಿ ನಾಲಗೆ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಣ್ಣು ಮುಕ್ಕಿ ಮರಳಾಗುವರೇ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಹೊನ್ನಿಗಾಗಿ ಹರಿನಾಮಾಮೃತವನು ಉನ್ನದೆ ಉಪವಾಸವಿರುವರೇನೋ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಹೊನ್ನಿಗಾಗಿ ಹರಿನಾಮಾಮೃತವನು ಉನ್ನದೆ ಉಪವಾಸವಿರುವರೇನೋ ಮಾನವ ಜನ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಇದ ಹಾನಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಬೇಡಿ ಹುಚ್ಚಪ್ಪಗಳಿರ ಮಾನವ ಜನ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಕಾಲನ ದೂತರು ಕಾಲ್ಪಿಡಿದೆಳೆವಾಗ ತಾಳು ತಳೆನುದರೆ ತಾಳುವರೇ ಕಾಲನ ದೂತರು ಕಾಲ್ಪಿಡಿದೆಳೆವಾಗ ತಾಳು ತಳೆನುದರೆ ತಾಳು ವೇಳೆ ಹೋಗುವ ಮುನ್ನ ಧರ್ಮವ ಗಳಿಸಿರೋ ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ಸಂಸಾರ ಸುಳಿಗೆ ಸಿಲುಕಬೇಡಿ. ವೇಳೆ ಹೋಗುವ ಮುನ್ನ ಧರ್ಮವ ಗಳಿಸಿರೋ ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ಸಂಸಾರ ಸುಳಿಗೆ ಸಿಲುಕಬೇಡಿ. ಮಾನವ ಜನ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಇದ ಹಾನಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಬೇಡಿ ಹುಚ್ಚಪ್ಪಗಳಿರ. ಮಾನವ ಜನ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಏನು ಕರ್ಣ ಯದುಪತಿಯನು ಮರೆತಿರಿ, ಧನ ಧನ್ಯ ಸತಿಸುತ್ತರಿವು ನಿತ್ಯವೇ. ಏನು ಕರ್ಣ ಯದುಪತಿಯನು ಮರೆತಿರಿ, ಧನ ಧನ್ಯ ಸತಿಸುತ್ತರಿವು ನಿತ್ಯವೇ. ಇನ್ನಾದರೂ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಂದ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನಾಮವ ಭಜಿಸಿರಯ್ಯ. ಇನ್ನಾದರೂ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಂದ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನಾಮವ ಭಜಿಸಿರಯ್ಯ. ಮಾನವ ಜನ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಇದ ಹಾನಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಬೇಡಿ ಹುಚ್ಚಪ್ಪಗಳಿರ. ಮಾನವ ಜನ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. In this composition, Purandaradasa emphasizes the very importance of this precious human life. He says, "Oh madmen, don't waste this human life. This is very precious. God has given eyes, ears, tongue, hands, legs, not to get immersed in eating mud." That means he is referring to all of us. Normally we will be engrossed in materialistic pursuits only throughout our life. Yes, normally human beings are immersed in materialistic pursuits throughout their lives, sensual pleasures and amassing wealth, and for gaining these, they sacrifice or do not give importance to chant the name of the divine. Purandaradasa asks, when Yamadutas or the death call knocks at us, can we ask them to wait? So, human life is very, very precious. We shouldn't do good deeds before the time is wasted. In the last charana, he says, why you have forgotten the original source of creation, Yadupati. And by chanting his name with gratitude, so this is what is required. Whatever comes our life, depending upon our karma, we will be experiencing lots of ups and downs, lots of hurdles, problems, everything will be there. Life is a combination of sweet memories and also bitter memories. But if we are constantly chanting the name of the Lord, we will get endurance, we will get strong energy, positive energy, divine energy to face all challenges of life. For example, for so many people, they are depressed because of Corona. They can't go out, especially those who used to go for, shopping, malls, parties, hotels. For such people, Corona has become a very, very, negative impact on them. But for some people like us, we are enjoying really because, God has made us to be in one place, start understanding our own self, reflections about our own self, introspections, and definitely we have been leading a contented life because we have music. All musicians will endorse with me because I have been speaking to so many musicians. They all say, okay, it is part of the life. It's not that we are superhuman beings, but we know where the God is within us. And as musicians, we really feel the presence of the divine Sharadamba within us. Through our singing, we can definitely experience that. So, that probably we are more stronger. Actually, I want to share a small story. I had read in Indian Express about 15 years back in the column Insight. So actually I can relate to the present situation very well. God wanted to destroy the world. Pralaya ಮಾಡಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಏನೋ ಸೂಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದ. He started giving some signals of pralaya. What happened? All the so-called spiritual people, they went and requested him, please don't do that. We have been doing so many types of dhyanas and other things, and so God said, no, there are also a lot of negative things you are doing. You are not very, very sincere. I don't agree. Then doctors went. He will scold the doctors. Doctors wanted to convince the God. So many medicines we have invented. God will say, at the same time, so many hazardous effects are there from the medicine. Scientists went. He will ask, you might have done good things, technology and other things. Why did you invent nuclear bomb? Is it not harmful to the world? So like this, politicians went, he never entertained. Like this it happened. But the world, in all musicians throughout the world, they started pleading God. God, please don't do this. We want to, please save the world. Now, the amount of online kacheris and lecture demonstrations, so many things are going on. I can relate that story now because all good things are happening. So many yagnas for the welfare of humanity. So many good things are going on. So probably within a short time we might really get good medicines for corona, and definitely it will be eradicated from the world. So like that, what we need to have is gratitude to God and always chant the name of Hari. That's what Purandaradasa says. Entire life we will be concentrating on money, wealth, wife and children and all materialistic luxuries. They are not at all permanent. Awake and wake up, O madman. Now start praying and chanting the name of Purandara Vittala. It's a beautiful Devanama. I really love it. And actually there are thousands of Devanamas. I have selected about 7 or 8. So the next composition I am going to sing is very beautiful composition of Purandaradasa. It is ನಾರಾಯಣನೆಂಬ ನಾಮದ ಬೀಜವ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ತುದಿಯಿಂದಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತಿರಯ್ಯ. It's in Ragamalika.
ಮಾನವರು ಕೃತಯುಗದಿ ತಪವ ಮಾಡಲಿಬೇಕು. ಮಾನವರು ಕೃತಯುಗದಿ ತಪವ ಮಾಡಲಿಬೇಕು. ತ್ರೇತಾಯುಗದಿ ಯಜ್ಞಯಾಗಾದಿಗಳು ತ್ರೇತಾಯುಗದಿ ಯಜ್ಞಯಾಗಾದಿಗಳು ದ್ವಾಪರದಿ ಅರ್ಚನೆಯು ದ್ವಾಪರದಿ ಕೀರ್ತನೆಯು ದ್ವಾಪರದಿ ಹೊಲವ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೃದಯ ಹೊಲವ ಮಾಡಿ ಮನವನಿಗಿಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೃದಯ ಹೊಲವ ಮಾಡಿ ಮನವನಿಗಿಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೃದಯ ಹೊಲವ ಮಾಡಿ ಮನವನಿಗಿಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಶ್ವಾಸೋಚ್ಛ್ವಾಸ ಎರಡೆತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿ ಶ್ವಾಸೋಚ್ಛ್ವಾಸ ಎರಡೆತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿ ಜ್ಞಾನವೆಂಬ ಹಗ್ಗ ಕಣ್ಣಿಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜ್ಞಾನವೆಂಬ ಹಗ್ಗ ಕಣ್ಣಿಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಜ್ಞಾನವೆಂಬ ಹಗ್ಗ ಕಣ್ಣಿಯ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿರ್ಮಮವೆಂಬ ಗುಂಟೆಲಿ ಹರವಿರಯ್ಯ ನಾರಾಯಣ ನೆಂಬ ನಾಮದ ಬೀಜವ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ತುದಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ಬಿತ್ತಿರಯ್ಯ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಮದ ಮತ್ಸರವೆಂಬ ಮದ ಮತ್ಸರವೆಂಬ ಮರಗಳನೆ ತರಿದು ಕಾಮ ಕ್ರೋಧವೆಂಬ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೀತೆ ಮದ ಮತ್ಸರವೆಂಬ ಮರಗಳನೆ ತರಿದು ಕಾಮ ಕ್ರೋಧವೆಂಬ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೀತೆ ಪಂಚೇಂದ್ರಿಯವೆಂಬ ಪಂಚೇಂದ್ರಿಯವೆಂಬ ಮಂಚಿಗೆಯನು ಹಾಸಿ ಪಂಚೇಂದ್ರಿಯವೆಂಬ ಮಂಚಿಗೆಯನು ಹಾಸಿ ಚಂಚಲವೆಂಬ ಹಕ್ಕಿಯ ಹೊಡೆಯಿರಯ್ಯ ಚಂಚಲವೆಂಬ ಹಕ್ಕಿಯ ಹೊಡೆಯಿರಯ್ಯ ಚಂಚಲವೆಂಬ ಹಕ್ಕಿಯ ಹೊಡೆಯಿರಯ್ಯ ನಾರಾಯಣರೆಂಬ ನಾಮದ ಬೀಜವ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ತುದಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ಬಿತ್ತಿರಯ್ಯ ನಾರಾಯಣ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಉದಯಸ್ತಮನವೆಂಬ 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 ಎರಡು ಕೊಳಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯುಷ್ಯವೆಂಬ ರಾಶಿ ಅಳೆಯುವುದೇರೆ ಉದಯಸ್ತಮನವೆಂಬ ಎರಡು ಕೊಳಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯುಷ್ಯವೆಂಬ ರಾಶಿ ಅಳೆಯುವುದೇರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲಗನೇ ವಿಠಲನ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ತುದಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಯ್ಯ ನಾರಾಯಣನೆಂಬ 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 ನಾಮದ ಬೀಜವ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ತುದಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ಬಿತ್ತಿರಯ್ಯ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಆ ಆ ನಾರಾಯಣ 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 ನಾರಾಯಣ.
This is a wonderful composition wherein the entire essence of human life Purandara Dasa has explained very well. He compares in the first stanza, sow the seed of name of Narayana in your tongue. Make your heart the land, let your mind be plowed, your breathing 2 oxen, then your knowledge as the rope to control the oxen, then plow or cultivate in the area of selflessness or freedom, nirmama. That means no ego, freedom from ego, egoless state of mind. That's what he says in the first stanza. Then in the next stanza he says, you cut off trees of pride and jealousy, aham, again, mada, pluck the kale, pluck the yield of greediness and hatredness, spread over the web of 5 senses, panchendriyas, to destroy the bird of fickle-mindedness or fluctuating mind, chanchala, manassu. Then the last stanza, beautifully he compares for 2 kolagas. Kolagas means 2 vessels, big vessels. Life he compares to 2 big vessels of morning and evening with twilight, wherein our lifespan is measured. If you chant the name of Swami Shri Purandara Vichala, all your sins will be warded off or cleared off. Wonderful composition. Actually, it has been stated that all the compositions, either Kirtanas of Tyagaraja, Muthuswami Dikshitar or Purandara Dasa, any Dasas, they are all based on Vedic scriptures, Puranas, Bhagavad Gita and all our traditional ancient texts. Because of, they experienced self-realization through nada, through music, and they wanted to contribute, give back to society in a very simple manner, to reach to the common people. That's why they could write in such a simple way the entire essence of human life. They have really embedded with the melody and rhythm. The next composition is beautiful. It's a composition of Vadiraja. It is in the Raga Siddhu Bhairavi. ಮಾತು ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಕೇಶವ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಮಾಧವ ಎನ್ನಬಾರದೆ ಹೇ ಜಿಹ್ವೆ. ಜಿಹ್ವೆ means ನಾಲಿಗೆ, tongue. So how we should integrate the Namavali in our life? It's very simple. Some people are very religious, ಮಡಿ ಆಚಾರ ಮೈಲಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನನ್ನಂಥವಳಿಗೆ I don't do anything. I believe only teaching our children and that too with special needs. That is my puja. And each time, when I am teaching these children, I really feel I am so blessed to teach, to make them to utter Namavali. And I am really happy to share with all of you, with this Nama Sankirtana method, all my special children are improving. Whether it is chanting of Omkara or Sanskrit shlokas, bhajans and exercises of Karnataka classical music, all my children, divine children I call them, they are all improving musically as well as so their non-musical goals have been addressed. So really I feel Nama Sankirtana has got immense power, immense energy. and we should be proud of our musical tradition and culture, musical culture. Whatever we have, the rich, it is rich treasure, whatever we have. We should, in fact, the Western world is looking at Indian music, because even yoga is also from India only. Like that, they are looking at Indian music, how best that can be formulated as a therapeutic intervention. Indian music is beyond therapy because it is at the highest ultimate level of bliss. So meditation, music is meditation, music is pranayama, it integrates body, intellect, mind and soul. That is the power of Indian music. Any raga you take, even when we sing Sarada verses also, we can experience that, the total integration. When we sing Akara, Ikara, Ukara, Amkara, all this we are experiencing by teaching our children and also when we practice. So in this composition, why don't you utter chanting Namavali or names of Hari, Keshava, Narayana, Madhava for every talk you do? O tongue, as soon as you get up, chant his name with love and devotion. Hari will be pleased. Jalajanabha's name will ward off all our sins and gives us both transient worldly pleasures and an easy path to reach the divine.
ಮಾತು ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಕೇಶವ, ಮಾತು ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಕೇಶವ, ನಾರಾಯಣ ಮಾಧವ ಎನ್ನಬಾರದೆ. ಜಿಹ್ವೆ ಮಾತು ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಕೇಶವ, ನಾರಾಯಣ ಮಾಧವ ಎನ್ನಬಾರದೆ. ಪ್ರಾತಃ ಕಾಲದೊಳೆದು ಪಾರ್ಥ ಸಾರಥಿಯೆಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಲಿ ನೆನೆಗೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀತನಾಗುವ ಹರಿ. ಪ್ರಾತಃ ಕಾಲದೊಳೆದು ಪಾರ್ಥ ಸಾರಥಿಯೆಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಲಿ ನೆನೆಗೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀತನಾಗುವ ಹರಿ. ಮಾತು ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಕೇಶವ, ನಾರಾಯಣ ಮಾಧವ ಎನ್ನಬಾರದೆ. ಜಲಜನಾಭನ ನಾಮವು ಈ ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಜನನ ಮರಣಘರವು. ಜಲಜನಾಭನ ನಾಮವು ಈ ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಜನನ ಮರಣಘರವು. ಸುಲಭವೆಂದೆನ್ನಲಾಗಿ ಸುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣವಿದು. ಸುಲಭವೆಂದೆನ್ನಲಾಗಿ ಸುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣವಿದು. ಬಲ್ಲಿದ ಪಾಪಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪರಿಹರಿಸುವುದೆಂದು. ಬಲ್ಲಿದ ಪಾಪಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪರಿಹರಿಸುವುದೆಂದು ತಿಳಿದು ತಿಳಿಯದಿಹರೇ. ಹೇ ಜಿಹ್ವೆ ತಿಳಿದು ತಿಳಿಯದಿಹರೇ. ಹೇ ಜಿಹ್ವೆ ಮಾತು ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಕೇಶವ, ನಾರಾಯಣ ಮಾಧವ ಎನ್ನಬಾರದೆ. ತರಳೆ ದ್ರೌಪದಿ ಸೀರೆಯ ಸೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೀರೆ ಹರಿ ನೀನೆ ಗತಿಯನಲು. அளித்த ஹரி நம்முடையனல்லவே ஹே ஜிஃபே ஹரி நம்முடையனல்லவே ஹே ஜிஃபே மாது மாதிಗೆ ಕೇಶವ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಮಾಧವ ಎನಬರದೆ ಹೇಮ ಕಶ್ಯಪ ಸಂಭವ ಈ ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಮವೇ ಗತಿಯೇನರು ಹೇಮ ಕಶ್ಯಪ ಸಂಭವ ಈ ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಮವೇ ಗತಿಯೇನರು ವಾಮನನೆಂದು ವಂದಿಸಿದವರಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಮದಾನಂದ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹಯವದನ ಕಮಿಟ ಫಲ ನೀವನು ಹೇ ಜಿಫೆ ಕಮಿಟ ಫಲ ನೀವನು ಹೇ ಜಿಫೆ ಮಾತು ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಕೇಶವ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಮಾಧವ ಎನಬಾರದೆ ಮಾತು ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಕೇಶವ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಮಾಧವ ಎನಬಾರದೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನಮಾಚಾರ್ಯಂದು. In this composition, Annamacharya highlights the glorious traits of Narayana. It's in the raga Tilang Aditala. ನಾರಾಯಣಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾನಾತ್ಮನೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರಾಯಣಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾನಾತ್ಮನೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಈ ರಚನಲನೆ ಯೌವರು ತಲಚಿನ ಇಹ ಪರಮಂತ್ರ ಮುಲಿಂದರಿಗೆ ಈ ರಚನಲನೆ ಯವರು ತಲಚಿನ ಇಹ ಪರಮಂತ್ರ ಮುಲಿಂದರಿಗೆ ನಾರಾಯಣಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾನಾತ್ಮನೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರಾಯಣಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾನಾತ್ಮನೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಗೋವಿಂದಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಗೋಪಾಲಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಗೋವಿಂದಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಗೋಪಾಲಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಭಾವಜ ಗುರುವೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಪ್ರಣವಾತ್ಮನೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಭಾವಜ ಗುರುವೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಪ್ರಣವಾತ್ಮನೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ದೇವೇಶಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ದಿವ್ಯ ಗುಣಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ದೇವೇಶಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ದಿವ್ಯ ಗುಣಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಈವರು ಸಲನೆ ಯೌವರು ತಲಚಿನ ಇಹ ಪರಮಂತ್ರ ಮುಲಿಂದಲಿಕೆ ಈವರು ಸಲನೆ ಯೌವರು ತಲಚಿನ ಇಹ ಪರಮಂತ್ರ ಮುಲಿಂದಲಿಕೆ ನಾರಾಯಣಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾನಾತ್ಮನೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ दामोदराय नमो नमो धरणीशाय नमो नमो दामोदराय नमो नमो धरणीशाय नमो नमो श्रीमहिलापते नमो नमो शिष्टरक्षिणे नमो नमो श्री महिलापते नमो नमो शिष्टरक्षिणे नमो नमो वामनायते नमो नमो वनचाक्षाय नमो नमो वामनायते नमो नमो वनचाक्षाय नमो नमो ఈ మేరలనే ఎవరు తలచిన ఇహ పరమంత్రములిందరికీ ఈ మేరలనే ఎవరు తలచిన ఇహ పరమంత్రములిందరికీ నారాయణాయ నమో నమో నారాత్మనే నమో నమో పరిపూర్ణాయ నమో నమో ప్రణవాగ్రాయ నమో నమో పరిపూర్ణాయ నమో నమో ప్రణవాగ్రాయ నమో నమో చిరంతన శ్రీ వెంకటనాయక శేషశాయినే నమో నమో చిరంతన శ్రీ వెంకటనాయక శేషశాయినే నమో నమో ఇరుగని గతి ఎవరు తలచిన ఇహ పరమంత్రములిందరికీ ఇరుగని గతి ఎవరు తలచిన ఇహ పరమంత్రములిందరికీ నారాయణాయ నమో నమో నారాత్మనే నమో నమో ఈ రచనలనే ఎవరు తలచిన ఇహ పరమంత్రములిందరికీ ఈ రచనలనే ఎవరు తలచిన ఇహ పరమంత్రములిందరికీ నారాయణాయ నమో నమో నారాత్మనే నమో 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 నమో
The next composition I will be presenting is very favorite to me. It's a composition of Purandaradasa in the Raga Nadanama-kriya Aditala. Most of you will be very familiar with this composition. In this composition, Purandaradasa pleads Krishna, Dasana Manikoyanna, please make me your Dasa, your servant. Please purify me. ದುರಳ ಬುದ್ಧಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿಸೋ. Please, relieve me from all my bad qualities. Then you please protect me with your Karuna Kavacha. And I want Dhrida Bhakti ninnalli. I want focused devotion in you. Please bless me to do more dhyana to purify my own mind and heart. That's what he pleads in this composition.
ಸಾಸಿರನಾಮದ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ದಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಯನ್ನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸಾಸಿರ ನಾಮದ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ದಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿಕೋ ದುರ್ಬುದ್ಧಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿಸೋ ದುರ್ಬುದ್ಧಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿಸೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣ ಕವಚವೆಲ್ಲ ಹರಣಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಡಿಸೋ ದುರ್ಬುದ್ಧಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿಸೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣ ಕವಚವೆಲ್ಲ ಹರಣಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಡಿಸೋ ಚರಣ ಸೇವೆ ಎನಗೆ ಕೊಡಿಸೋ ಚರಣ ಸೇವೆ ಎನಗೆ ಕೊಡಿಸೋ ಚರಣ ಸೇವೆ ಎನಗೆ ಕೊಡಿಸೋ ಅಭಯ ಕರ ಪುಷ್ಪವೆಲ್ಲ ಶಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿಸೋ ಚರಣ ಸೇವೆ ಎನಗೆ ಕೊಡಿಸೋ ಅಭಯ ಕರ ಪುಷ್ಪವೆಲ್ಲ ಶಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿಸೋ ದಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿಕೋ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸಾಸಿರ ನಾಮದ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ದಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿಕೋ ದೃಢ ಭಕ್ತಿ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡಿ ದೃಢ ಭಕ್ತಿ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡಿ ನಾ ಅಡಿಗೆ ರಘುವಿನಯ್ಯ ಅನುದಿನ ಪಾಡಿ ದೃಢ ಭಕ್ತಿ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡಿ ನಾ ಅಡಿಗೆ ರಘುವಿನಯ್ಯ ಅನುದಿನ ಪಾಡಿ ಕಡೆಗಣ್ಣಲೆ ಕೆಲವರ ನೋಡಿ ಕಡೆಗಣ್ಣಲೆ ಕೆಲವರ ನೋಡಿ ಕಡೆಗಣ್ಣಲೆ ಕೆಲವರ ನೋಡಿ ಬಿಡುವೆ ಕೊಡು ನಿನ್ನ ಧ್ಯಾನವ ಮನ ಶುಚಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಡೆಗಣ್ಣಲೆ ಕೆಲವರ ನೋಡಿ ಬಿಡುವೆ ಕೊಡು ನಿನ್ನ ಧ್ಯಾನವ ಮನ ಶುಚಿ ಮಾಡಿ ದಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿಕೋ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸಾಸಿರ ನಾಮದ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ದಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿಕೋ ಮೊರೆ ಹೊಕ್ಕವರ ಕಾವ ಬೀರುವುದು ಎನ್ನ ಮರೆಯದೆ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಯ್ಯ ಪೊರೆದು ಮೊರೆ ಹೊಕ್ಕವರ ಕಾಯುವ ಬೀರುವುದು ಎನ್ನ ಮರೆಯದೆ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಯ್ಯ ಪೊರೆದು ದುರಿತಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತರೆದು ದುರಿತಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತರೆದು ರಮಣ ದಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿಕೋ ದಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿಕೋ ದಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿಕೋ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
Yes, the last composition I will be singing. It is the composition of Saint Purandaradasa. He has glorified all elements of music, dance and rhythm in this beautiful composition. ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರರೊಳು ಸೇರಿದವ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ ಖಳರೆದೆಯ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ. Friends, all of you agree with me, all musicians, whether they are vocalists, instrumentalists, anything, we are all blessed with wonderful art of meditation because we forget ourselves, is it not? And at the same time we will be focusing our attention on so many things. Our mind will be very alert. When you are on a performance, you need to focus your attention on Shruti, your singing, melody, lyrics, tala, and at the same time you should coordinate with the instrumental accompaniments. So much of work, so much of complicated work, but you will be enjoying doing that without, nirayasvam ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಕಚೇರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. And it depends upon the knowledge and the proficiency of the artist, definitely. But still, for 2 hours, 3 hours, all artists will be completely focusing, complete 100% concentration. It is a meditational process. It's a wonderful, music is a wonderful medium of Nama Sankirtane. I think we should be really grateful to God for having given this art to us. Yes, it is for musicians, but for those, who do not know music, but they want to sing with bhakti, fine. God wants only bhakti and pure heart. So, even for them, there are so many bhajana mandalis, wherein they all, they come together and they start singing the bhajans and they sing the namavalis. So, it is a wonderful medium for integration of the entire system. And a lot of researches are going on even in India now, how music is integrated to physical health, psychological health, social health and neurological health. A lot of researches have been going on in even Nimhans. Dr. Shantala Hegde, one of my very good friends, she is doing research on the cognitive ability, neurocognitive ability, impact of music on neurocognition. Like this, so many people are doing researches, physiological changes, how it takes place. Why Indian music? What are the special qualities of Indian music? Indian music is very divine. It has pitch, tune, rhythm and lyrics, melody with complete involvement. When you sing with complete involvement, it becomes Satchidananda. What is the state of meditation? What happens in meditation? It happens in music. Are we not blessed to sing like this? So, he says, Tamburi meetidava, bhavabdi datidava, talava tattidala. Those who play rhythm, they will directly they can see God in their playing. Gejjeya kattidava, khalaredeya mettidava. Those who dance, forgetting everything through their abhinava, through their steps, they can, khalaredeya mettidava. Gayana paadidava, harimurti nodidava. Harinama Sankirtane, we sing on all gods and goddesses. We don't have any inhibition at all, is it not? We sing on Krishna, we sing on Rama, we sing on Narasimha, we sing on Devi, we sing on Subramanya. Literally all gods and goddesses we sing. Are we not blessed? This is Nama Sankirtana has become an integral part of our human life, which has got a wonderful meaning and purpose for our life. Especially after this corona, it landed. So we are feeling very much privileged because we have not travelled to Bangalore since 6 months. First time this much of gap, staying in a stable position in Hyderabad. But life is so meaningful, no boredom. Hardly we find boredom because always we will be in music. So both of us we feel, me and Ravi sir, both of us we feel how much blessed we are to teach children, to be with them, to part our knowledge with them, and to see their changes, especially divine children. It is really a punyam. Definitely we can experience bliss and heaven here only.
ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ, ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ, ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ, ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರರುಳು ಸೇರಿದವ, ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರರುಳು ಸೇರಿದವ, ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ, ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ, ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ ಖಳರದಯ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದವ, ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ ಖಳರದಯ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದವ, ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದವ, ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದವ, ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದವ, ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದವ, ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ, ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ, ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ, ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ, ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ, ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ, ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ, ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ, ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ, ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ, ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರರುಳು ಸೇರಿದವ, ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರರುಳು ಸೇರಿದವ, ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ, ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ, ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ.
Friends, I'm very grateful to Ranjani, Dhanya Rashmi Ravi, Venkatesh and all other trustees of Subhadrama Venkatappanavara Trust Padadikarigalige. For all trustees, I'm very grateful to all of you for having given an excellent opportunity for me to sing and to talk. It's a musical discourse. I always enjoy musical discourse. And thank you for all other arrangements and for all the listeners also. I'm very grateful. and I look forward for more and more thematic musical discourses like this, because like concerts, that is one aspect of music. But if we do thematic concerts, it will really reach to our intellect, and we can reflect upon. Lot of introspection takes place through music if we keep our open, heart open, and hydrates. If we are really broad-minded and open, definitely it really gives us an introspection of where we stand, how we should be in life. Lots and lots of failures would have taken place in our lives, but we learn a lot out of those experiences. We really learn a lot, and music is an extraordinary, highly effective medium for this purpose. So I really thank you one and all. And we have our Nada Arogya channel to integrate music and health, music and holistic health, how music can really improve our health physically, psychologically, socially, emotionally, neurologically, and also spiritually. Please view, since so many, almost 15 days we have been uploading the Devarnamas every day, and it will continue until the next 16th. Afterwards we are going to have Navavarana compositions during Dasara with explanation. So we should know our compositions, how with therapeutic perspectives our composers have composed their compositions. It will be a wonderful experience. Please subscribe to our channel. It is your channel. You can always participate in our channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you one and all.